Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Learn English every day. In this series, today we're going to look at family. Now, before I go on to family, I want to say a few things here. First of all, learn English every day. This is a basic English video lesson. In this and in all the other video lessons, we have lots of vocabulary and how to use that vocabulary practically. We use them in sentences so that you can use them outside this place as well. Wherever you are sitting, you can use them practically. And that will improve your confidence in English because that improves your English speaking skills. This will also improve your English listening skills. So I want you to watch this video from the beginning till the end so that you don't miss anything. There are lots of vocabulary and structures, sentences, practical use, etc. in the whole video. So watch it till the end. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And like this video if you do like it. Now let's start. Family. Now, what is this? A man, yes. And this? A woman. So we have one man, and here you have 7 men. Men, see? Man, men. Men. It's men. Like pen. So you have several men. This is one woman. Pronunciation is very important. Woman, mun. And many women. So it goes down. We mean. Many women. Not women's, not man's. Right. Now let's look at their story. Now, they don't know each other, so they are strangers. Strangers. And then they meet, they become friends. Friends. And slowly they become close. So they become boyfriend and girlfriend. Do you have any boyfriend or girlfriend? What's his or her name? Tell us something about them. Right. So after some time, these two people go out together, they are boyfriend and girlfriend. Then their parents say, okay, we like the two of you, so get married. Get married. Are they married now? No. So they will get married. Before marriage, in India, we have, in most of the other parts of the world also, we have an engagement. They will be engaged or betrothed. Betrothed. The stress is on trothed. So they'll be betrothed. And that ceremony is called the engagement ceremony or the betrothal ceremony. The betrothal ceremony. Once they are betrothed, he is her betrothed and she is his betrothed. Same word. So they are betrothed or they are each other's betrothed. Now, after some time, they get married. Where do they get married? In a temple or a church or maybe even in a court. Now, what's that ceremony called? It's the wedding ceremony. This wedding ceremony is sometimes for about 10 minutes And in some cases, it takes up to 3 days, depending upon the people. Lots of different kinds of people. So you have different kinds and different times. So 10 minutes to 3 days all across the world, we have this wedding ceremony. After the wedding ceremony, they are married. There are 2 people, so they are a married couple. A couple. Couple means 2. So it's not just marriage. I have a couple of cars in my garage. I have a couple of paperweights. 2. So couple. I have a couple of pens. See, 2 pens, a couple. So, a couple. There are a couple of students in my class who are married. A couple. Who are not married, sorry, they're not married. Others are all married. So, a couple. So, they are now a married couple. Before that, they were a betrothed couple. Before that, they were a couple in love. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Hopefully, they are still in love after marriage. Now, after marriage, they come close. And in India, even the families come close. So they become one single family. They have a bond. They develop a bond. So the families develop a bond. So even the families get married. And they are in a marriage, the husband and wife. They are called husband and wife. The man is a husband, the woman is a wife. They are in a marriage. They are married. They are in a marriage till they die, till one of them dies. But in some cases, they decide, okay, I don't want to stay in the marriage. I don't want to stay in the marriage. I want to get out of the marriage. Get out of the marriage. Which means they're going to divorce. Divorce. People divorce these days. Do you know anybody who is divorced? Now, once they are divorced, the man becomes a woman's ex-husband. And the woman is the man's ex-wife. Ex, a very important word. She is our ex-principal. She was our principal, now she is not. So she is our ex-principal. Note the 2 ways of saying this. She was our principal. She is our ex-principal. Ex. He was our manager. He is our ex-manager. Ex means gone, past. Now, in the next video, we're going to look at more vocabulary that's related to the family. Okay, the different relationships in our family. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.